Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. That's Praveen Nair and I am Maahek Nair. And today we're going to be doing an easy detox juice for you. That's called a ABC juice. Now Praveen is going to tell you what does ABC stand for.
A for apple, B for beetroot, and C for, of course, carrot. So it's a great source of vitamins. At the same time, it provides you some amount of sugar which you would probably need post-workout or pre-workout. I preferably use this along with some pre-workout drink, and it gets you that really good kick that you need for the workout.
Yeah, and it's yum to taste.
Yes.
Let's quickly go and see the recipe.
Let's go.
That's apple, 1 whole green apple, 1 whole beetroot, 2 peeled carrots. That's ABC. A for apple, B for beetroot, and C for carrots. First, I'm going to put 2 whole carrots. Next, I'm going to put 1 whole beetroot. And lastly, I'm going to add 1 whole green apple. And our ABC juice is ready. So that's the ABC juice. It's really simple, easy and quick to remember.
Yeah, the few things that I like about the juice is that it's easy to prepare. At the same time, it gets you a lot of vitamins that you need for the day. So go out there, enjoy the recipes. We've got a lot of videos out there, almost about 170 videos. You want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon that you always get to know about our videos. So we've got about, say, almost 7 videos coming every week. That's on information, nutrition, recipes, and at the same time train to liquid programs. So you've got all those things from the point of fitness and which are very essential. We've covered up all those things on our channel. All you need to do that, share the channel with your friends and family and enjoy the recipes and the programs that we have. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're looking forward to see you in the next video.
See you. Thank you.